Welcome to this channel. This is a complete tutorial. Here you will get learn how to create and run a Django project in pycharm professional ID in Ubuntu 20.04 LTS or Linux. If you are new to this channel, subscribe this channel to get more tutorials. Let's get started. At first, ensure that you have installed Python on your system with this command. Okay, now create a new project, select Django and enter the project name. Okay, and create a new virtual environment, select new environment using virtual environment and select the location. Now choose base interpreter. Okay, or you can select previously configured interpreter. Okay, now create a Django project, and also you can create a Django application. Okay, now click on create. This will install Django latest version and create Django project and Django application. This will take a while for installing Django. Okay, now I'm going to run this Django project. Select Django project and then click on run button. Okay, press Ctrl and then click on this link and see. Okay, and you can stop the Django server from here. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.